Welcome to Sumter School District, where we ignite a passion for learning, foster creativity, and empower students to excel in a world of endless possibilities. Let us take a glimpse into our appeal and explore our commitment to advancing potential and pursuing excellence for all learners. In our pursuit of academic excellence, our schools incorporate 21st century teaching methods that immerse students in the realms of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Harness the power of digital libraries and embrace cutting-edge technology for an enriched and dynamic learning experience. Our students have passports to global learning through world languages, fine arts, career and technology education, advanced placement, college-level dual enrollment, international baccalaureate, and gifted and talented programs. In addition to STEM, the Sumter School District boasts innovative programs such as AVID, Leader in Me, Arts and Basic Curriculum, National Blue Ribbon Points of Light, Project Lead the Way, Southern Regional Education Board, and Ben Carson Reading Rooms. Our commitment to excellence extends beyond the walls of the traditional classroom. Our innovative initiatives such as the STEM Mobile Explorer, Cybersecurity Bus, and Star Lab Planetarium enable students to explore, dream, and thrive. Through expansive career and technology education courses and numerous offerings at Sumter Career and Technology Center, students are equipped with skills that enable them to forge pathways to career readiness. Sumter School District also cultivates well-rounded students through our state and national award-winning athletics, fine arts, and extracurricular clubs and organizations. Sumter School District is a Purple Star School District, a nationwide recognition program that celebrates schools and districts that make a significant commitment to welcome and support military families. Together, we look for ways to foster our relationships through S2S as we work in collaboration to ease the transition to a new school district. In addition to the military, we are passionate about fostering strong partnerships with parents, guardians, and community stakeholders such as businesses, industries, public safety, and civic organizations. Their involvement and support are invaluable as we work together to create a safe, enriching, and supportive environment for our students. Join us on a journey of growth, exploration, and success, where we don't just teach, we revolutionize the learning experience. Discover the Sumter School District appeal.